You miss Leon Bailey. So if you want a blood clot, call him, go and go call him. Because he mash up the country. Right now, I'm going to think the pastor have to do a prayer for Jamaica this morning. Leon, what the fuck you do to it? Make girl a call, say Jamaican man with smile. A good thing, so my old blood clot girl them know, so nothing go so with me. I say it hurt my feelings, brother. This blood clot just up and yo, Leon Bailey, you need for blood clot correct this in the car. You know how much years what are we protecting with good name? And you just come mash up this in 1 minute? But how are the blood clot this? Brother, I said that look up post so they no long. One night time the boy had a complaint and said Jamaica have money for give him and him want better place to stay. Listen man, Andrew give me better place to stay. Me make foreign girl fly down. Alright, me have one in my house, one fly down and one there one different hotel. Me bring one go put a hotel and pick up one at airport. Me? No star. No, are we the government? Listen man, no woman now come here for watch football. The whole of them are come here for fuck. Leon Bailey know where you do? You know that woman a fly come and Jamaica come watch football? Put soul a fly, them fly coming for fuck. And when them see that now, them a say, I ain't going to Jamaica, man. Why? Them a go to Africa. Tell Spice and Blood Clot Maca Diamond follow them go to Africa too. Cause Spice want a cow foot. Ladies and one no pussy can take a cow foot. Maca Diamond. Maca Diamond day now this morning. Good morning, Maca.